My name is Jun Lee, and I'm a printmaker specializing in woodcut. I'm the owner of a Jun Lee Prints, where I create the work in my home print studio in Washington, D.C. I majored in illustration at the Minneapolis College of Art and Design, and I have Master in Fine Art in Print Media in Cranbrook Academy of Art. My work explores the different ways a competition shows up in our society and how people respond, from avoiding the conflict, from preparing for a fight. I use an animal, especially a rooster, as a metaphor for the inner struggle people face and under pressure. The rooster represents both resilience and the cost of survival. I work with the reduction woodcut because it connects the commitment. Once you carve the block, there is no turning back. You accepted the block as it is, and then you moving forward, just like we live in our life. Unbreakable Elements explores printmaking through materials such as wood, paper, and glass. It reflects on how we gather strength after moments of defeat and rebuild, both individually and collectively, especially in the time of uncertainty we have. I use the animal and the cultural stories around them examine our social dynamic. We are capable of both fierce competition and deep compassion in our survival to fight. From this exhibition, I want the audience to live with a deeper understanding of resilience and the strength that we often forget we have. It's about recognizing that even in the face of challenges, we can always find ways to grow. Our history shows that we are stronger when we come together as a community. In the end, I believe we as a human are unbreakable element. For 2026, it's going to be a busy year with the Teaching National Workshop, attending residency, and working on my next project. One area I've been always diving deeper into print collage work with handmade paper and my own print. I've always been fascinated by the history and physically of this material. Looking to my new year, I'm eager to exploring my print collages into my woodcut, but also I would like to commit more in the community and sharing my woodcut and my printmaking work.